The perfume industry is an enchanting world where the essence of luxury is captured in every drop. Each year, billions of bottles of perfume are produced, with global sales surpassing $40 billion to meet ever-growing demand. In the vast lavender fields, massive harvesters tirelessly gather every bloom, filled with fragrant essential oils. But how does lavender oil transform into a luxurious fragrance? To find out, we visited Grasse, a charming town in the south of France, renowned as the world's perfume capital. Since 1724, Grasse has been devoted to the art of crafting fragrances, serving as an endless source of inspiration for leading perfumers. When prestigious brands like Chanel want to release a new fragrance, Grasse is an essential destination. Creating a perfume is not merely an industrial process, it is a true art form. From selecting each ingredient to blending them with precision, every drop is crafted like a masterpiece, a delicate balance of notes, much like how a skilled bartender mixes the perfect cocktail. Each fragrance tells a story, evokes emotions, and awakens deep memories and desires in those who experience it. The basic ingredients of perfume are a harmonious blend of essential oils extracted from fragrant herbs, fruits, and flowers, delicately dissolved in alcohol. These essences have a very high alcohol concentration, much like fine wines that are tasted and blended continuously until they reach perfection. Perfume, too, undergoes numerous trials, allowing its scent to evolve and mature over time. In the past, unique ingredients like beaver musk or ambergris from Wales were used in perfumes, but today, the industry has become far more refined and modern. Among these, lavender essence stands as one of the key components in many exquisite fragrances. For centuries, the beautiful region of Provence has been the heart of lavender production, supplying over half of the world's lavender. The lush green leaves and violet blooms of this fragrant plant are distilled into lavender oil, a crucial ingredient in many health and beauty products. The lavender fields stretch across the hills, creating a dreamy sea of purple, filled with a delicate, soothing aroma. Yet, behind this beauty, harvesting lavender is no easy task, requiring patience and tireless effort from the dedicated farmers who cultivate it. Growing lavender on large farms is a meticulous and carefully planned process, combining modern methods to ensure that each flower reaches the highest quality. Lavender thrives in dry, well-drained soil, especially in warm, sunny climates, with ideal temperatures ranging from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. At the start, growers need to prepare thoroughly, from loosening the soil and adding organic fertilizers to boost nutrients, to sowing seeds or propagating cuttings. Every step plays a crucial role in the plant's development. The sight of evenly spaced rows of lavender plants, about 30 to 60 centimeters apart, with each plant having space to grow and bloom, is surely a special joy. Caring for lavender also requires patience. Although the plant is drought-tolerant, it needs regular watering in the early stages, which should then be reduced to avoid waterlogging. Light organic fertilization and frequent pruning not only keep the plant healthy, but also encourage more vibrant flowering. When the flowers start to bloom, growers can enjoy the sweet aroma, a natural fragrance that helps lavender resist pests, though it's still important to monitor for early signs of diseases like root rot or mold. Weeds quietly grow around the base of lavender plants, silently drawing water and precious nutrients from the soil. From May to September, weed removal becomes a daily ritual. Modern cutting machines gently lift the lavender bushes and use hot steam to spray the surrounding weeds, effectively killing them without harming the plants. The entire process of growing and caring for lavender is not just a job, it's a passion, a feeling of happiness as each plant grows strong, releasing its gentle fragrance across the fields, contributing to high-quality, natural products. Harvesting lavender by hand is a delicate task that requires meticulousness, skill, and patience from the farmers. Determining the perfect harvest time is crucial. Lavender growers carefully observe the color of the flowers, waiting for them to transition from vibrant greenish-purple to a grayish-brown hue, the moment when the flowers contain the highest concentration of essential oils, and their fragrance is most intense. Sometimes, farmers will gently squeeze a few petals to check how much oil is released, as the essential oil is the heart of the harvest process. Lavender starts blooming in its second year, with the ideal harvest time falling at the peak of the first bloom. Although there is a second bloom, it is not abundant enough to warrant a second harvest. The greatest challenge is that the harvest only lasts a few short weeks, and the flowers must be cut early in the morning when they are fully bloomed and still heavy with dew, which helps preserve the maximum amount of essential oil. Farmers use small sickles or knives to carefully cut the lavender bunches close to the base, ensuring the stems are about 15 to 20 centimeters long. They must handle the flowers with care to avoid crushing them, as this would reduce the amount of valuable oil inside. After cutting, the lavender is tied into small bundles and neatly stacked to avoid damage. Although hand harvesting is slower than using machines, it allows for greater precision and care for each plant. Farmers can adjust their harvesting methods to ensure the plants remain healthy for future seasons. Once harvested, the lavender bundles are transported to a processing facility where the essential oil extraction process begins, preserving the sweet, gentle fragrance of this remarkable flower. The most efficient method to carry out this task is by using massive harvesting machines. These machines don't just cut the plants. They operate with the precision of a skilled hairstylist. First, the machine carefully lifts the lavender bushes, ensuring they stand upright. Then, its sharp blades swiftly and neatly cut the stems, about 15 centimeters long, close to the base with perfect precision. As the lavender stems are cut, they gently fall onto a conveyor belt, which meticulously transfers them to a collection tray before being loaded onto waiting trucks. From there, the lavender is transported to a processing facility, where the precious essential oils are extracted, preserving the distinctive and pure fragrance of this exquisite flower. The vast lavender fields, brimming with a captivating fragrance, are carefully harvested, with trucks loaded with fresh lavender stems heading toward the distillation plant. It's here that the magical process takes place, transforming those delicate flowers into precious essential oil. To extract the purest drops of oil, the distillation process must be meticulously precise, much like the way one crafts artisanal liquor from grains. Upon arrival at the plant, skilled workers tightly pack tons of lavender stems into massive steel vats. They compress the flowers as much as possible to eliminate air pockets, since excess air would reduce the amount of oil extracted. Once the vats are filled, the lids are sealed, and the oil boiler is turned on, producing low-pressure steam that is pumped into the bottom of the distillation vat. Within 15 minutes, the steam begins to rise through the layers of lavender, gradually heating them and bursting the oil glands in the petals, releasing their most essential oils. Under the heat, the lavender starts to sweat and releases its oils, which mix with the fragrant steam. This mixture of oil and steam is funneled through large pipes, where it is cooled and transformed back into a liquid. The condensation process occurs as the hot steam meets the cold aluminum pipe, converting it back into water and oil. Lavender oil, being lighter than water, floats to the surface, where it is carefully collected. A remarkable aspect of the process is that it takes several tons of fresh flowers to produce just 50 kilograms of lavender oil. Every drop carries the essence of an entire lavender field. And, much like how fine malt whiskey is aged to perfection, lavender oil also requires time to reach its peak. After extraction, the oil is stored in special containers and aged for several months, allowing its fragrance to mature and develop before being ready to be bottled as rich, nature-infused lavender essential oil. First, the perfumers carefully examine and select the lavender essential oil from batches that have already been distilled. Lavender oil is often aged for several months to achieve a richer and more balanced fragrance. In the perfume laboratory, the experts begin the process of blending scents. They combine lavender essential oil with 5,000 different essential oils and other ingredients in precise ratios to create various layers of fragrance in a single perfume. Perfume is typically divided into 3 layers: the top note, the middle note, also called the heart note, and the base note. Lavender usually appears in the middle note, providing a refreshing and calming sensation. The perfumers experiment with many different formulas to find the perfect balance between the components. This requires great skill in sensing and measuring to ensure that each ingredient interacts harmoniously, creating a well-rounded scent. Before the perfume is bottled, the packaging design plays a crucial role in creating the product's appeal. Designers work closely with brand experts to create a bottle design that matches the unique characteristics of each fragrance. The bottle must preserve the perfume's delicate scent, while also having high aesthetic value to attract customers. Perfume bottles are typically made from high-quality glass, ensuring transparency, durability, and maintaining the integrity of the essential oils inside. The bottle cap and label are also carefully designed, with a clear display of the logo and product information. Empty bottles are thoroughly cleaned to ensure the purity of the perfume, and then machines automatically dispense the exact amount of perfume into each bottle, ensuring no precious oil is wasted. Next, the bottle caps are automatically sealed tightly to prevent evaporation and preserve the fragrance. Afterward, the labeling system attaches high-quality, waterproof labels with complete information about the brand and product. The perfume bottles are then packaged in premium cardboard boxes to protect them during transportation and distribution, ensuring both elegance and safety when they reach consumers. A vital step in the process is quality control after bottling. The system carefully inspects each bottle to detect any defects such as loose caps, insufficient perfume levels, or misaligned labels. Bottles that do not meet the standards are either discarded or corrected to ensure the final product always meets the highest quality before reaching customers. After completing all these stages, the finished perfume is packed into cartons and prepared for shipping. The factory works with distribution partners to deliver the perfume to stores, shopping malls, or directly to consumers through online sales channels. The process of producing lavender perfume, from distilling essential oils to designing packaging and bottling, is a journey filled with precision and artistry. Each step is meticulously crafted with passion and care to ensure that the perfume bottles reaching consumers are not just products, but a perfect blend of art and technique. From the delicate fragrance to the luxurious packaging, everything comes together to create a flawless and captivating experience. If you're also captivated by the enchanting world of perfume, be sure to watch the upcoming videos to discover more about other production processes, the secrets behind famous scents, and the magical journey of flowers. Don't miss the chance to learn more about the perfume industry and how these alluring fragrances are brought to life.